Hi friends, we're going to make a quick video today. I have about 5 minutes left for my lunch, so I decided to make a quick little video, try to upload it for you all so you had some division. So right now we have 36 is my dividend and 5 is my divisor. And I'm going to use a certain way of looking at this math problem so that I can figure out what the quotient, which is the answer to a multiplication problem, is. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my divisor of 5, and I need to skip count that down here to save me some time. This is going to be so easy for you all. So 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 10, 1 times 3 is 15, 1 times, I'm saying 1, y'all. 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30, 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 8 is 40, 5 times 9 is 45. Easier way, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All you do is write your skip counts down. Been a long day, I guess. I don't know. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at your divisor and look at your dividend. 5, and you have 3 and 6. The first thing I want you to do is scoop one number and ask yourself, can 5 go into 3 without going over? So look all the way down here. And 5 is the closest thing, but it's going to go over. So I'm actually not going to just stick with my 3. I've decided I'm going to look at the next 2 digits, 36. Come down here and I'm going to look and say, do I have, any numbers that are close to 36 without going over? So I look and look and look. Oh, I've got 35. I'm going to circle 35. My 7 is on top. So I put 7 on top. I've done my dividing now. I'm dividing now, multiplying. I don't even need to multiply 7 times 5 because I already have it down here. I did the work in advance. So 35. Now I subtract these two numbers. 36 minus 35 is 1. And 1 is smaller than 5, so I know I have a remainder of 1. Okay, I'm going to keep 5 as my divisor, and I'm going to make my dividend a little bit bigger. All right, now I have a 3-digit divisor. Whoops, let's make this a little bit longer. And 5 is still my 384 is my dividend. 5 is my divisor. It's a crazy day. Just bear with me. I'm going to keep these down here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I'm erasing this. This is my last problem. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is scoop. Can 5 go into 3 without going over? Come down here. We've already gone over. So I'm going to look at 38. Can 5 go into 38 without going over? Aha, I see it. 7. I've been working with the number 38. My 7 goes on top of the 38. I don't necessarily have to multiply because I've already done it. 35. Now I subtract. 38 minus 35, I know is 3. Now I have to bring down my next number, which is a 4. And I circle this 34 because that's going to be the new number I'm working with. How many times can 5 be divided into 34 without going over? So look all the way down here, and the closest one is 6. You can go in 6 times with a product of 30. So I'm going to put my 6 on the top. I'm going to multiply, but I don't really have to because I've already done it. 30. I'm going to subtract. 34 minus 30 is 4. And I would bring down anything that's left over up here in my, losing my mind, dividend. Yes, okay, so there's nothing left in my dividend, so 4 is smaller than 5, so we have a remainder of 4. Part of me says, should I post this video because I've made so many errors in it? You know what? I'm going to do it because even teachers have a hard time sometimes with the math. It's been a rough day. We're just going to go with it. Take care, guys. Thank you.